Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about Amazon Brand Registry interface. What are options are available in the Amazon Brand Registry and how you can use those options. Once you are logged into the Amazon Brand Registry, you can see here, you will see an option of manage, and under that you will see manage intellectual property. How you can click on it. Okay, so here you can manage your intellectual properties. If you would like to add a new trademark under your brand history, you can click on connect a trademark and simply select the brand name. Okay, that you wanted to connect with the brand history. Simple enter the registration number and verify, and it will automatically get connected as well. And from here you can also do the same process as well to connect a trademark under the manage intellectual property. So next is manage selling roles. In this role, manage selling roles, you can remove the access for the sellers for any risk, any implies you have added. Like here I am added for this brand. Simply here I click on remove, success will get removed as well. And you can also use this manage selling roles to connect a selling partner account. It means you can connect a seller central account with brand registry. Sometimes you register and you apply for Amazon brand registry. Your Amazon brand registry does not get connected automatically with the Amazon seller central account. In some cases, you will face error that you will not be able to create listing as well, and you will not be able to use all Amazon brand registry benefit as well, even you are registered and enroll in brand registry. Most of the time, reason will be that your Amazon brand registry is not connected with the seller account, seller central account. So you need to log into Amazon brand registry account and log into the page, manage selling roles, and click on connect a selling partner. And you need to click on seller central account, and you need to link on the role, selling role. You need to add as a yourself as a brand representative if you want to get all the rights on the Amazon Seller Central account. As a brand representative, you will get all these A plus content, Amazon Live, brand store, sponsor product, brand displays. These all options will get eligible. And then you need to choose the account and enter the merchant token ID of your Amazon Seller Central account, which you can get from your setting account info and then from merchant token. And enter click on the invitation store. Okay, this one I have already added, so that's why I'm showing. So you need to select the market. So make sure you can add all your market, and for Amazon you can Europe and Amazon US there will be separate merchant token ID. So you have to connect it separately. Okay. So then choose the brand name for which you want to, and then confirm, check mark this, and then you will get an option of connect to selling partner account, and then you will select that. In my case, it's already selected, that's why. But you need to follow this process to select it, and that's how you can connect Amazon brand history with the seller central account. After that, there is an if you want to enroll a brand, you can click on the enroll a brand, and you can start a new application for your new brand. If you have a second brand you want to enroll, if you're enrolling a first time, you can go with the enroll your brand. And then also Amazon offer an brand history enrollment with the help of IP Accelerator program as well. And the next is from here, you can see all your brand application you have submitted for your brand registry applications. You can see here this brand is already approved. And then is the manage brand relationships. Okay, and then if you go to check and under the product, you will see project zero, report a violation, and transparency. Project zero. Okay, so Project Zero has specific their own requirements, and for this account, we are not eligible for this. Uh, so you can explore this further as well. Okay, and if you would like to report any violations, you can report here. Like if you have any other brand on Amazon using your brand names or using your images, you can report them. You need to simply search for brand name or ASIN. You can search for ASIN here, a product URL, and it will automatically start showing here. And then you just need to select and you can do that as well. I can show you as an example. One ASIN. Let me pick an ASIN quickly so that I can. Okay, I got a one brand. I search this ASIN. Okay, product start showing here, and it's showing all images. Okay, and then it's showing all images. Okay, so reports that is there an issue with the images? I will select the images and then I will report 5 selected images. Copyright infringement, trademark infringement. We can report copyright infringement. So on the images, it will be if their images has used any trademark, your brand name on the images, then you will file the trademark infringement. And then you can when if they're using same as your listing images, you can file for the copyright infringement as well. You can click on that copyright infringement, and after that you go to that page. Amazon will ask for the copyright images are used without authorization on the product tail page. So brand name, Amazon will ask for the brand name, for which brand name you wanted to report it. Okay. uh, and the same way, if I go back and if I can show you the trademark as well. Okay, so here I would go again. I will search for ASIN here again, and this time I will select the ASIN complete listing as well. I can select the complete listing as well, and then I can file for the patent infringement as well. So when I will be selecting the only images, I will be only able to file the images. I will be only copyright or trademark. Or if I go with trademark infringement, okay, product detail page is choosing my trademark in the product title, product images, and product description. So you have to select that, and then same way you have to select the brand name you use, and then you can submit it. Okay, so let's go back to the report of violation, and with you can I will show you how you can file the patent infringement. You need to select the ASIN and then click on report once a patent infringement. For patent infringement, you need potential violation of my patent design, potential violation of my utility patent. Basically, there are usually two type of patents: design patent and utility patent. So you need to select the type of utility patent, and then you need to enter the brand name, and you can submit. That's all. So that's how. And then there is transparency. Amazon is also offer a transparency codes for each listing for the brands, and in this you have to offer print that code on the product as well. Amazon transparency basically is a product sterilization service and anti-counterfeiting program built to protect your brand integrity from manufacturing to delivery. In this, Amazon trying to make sure that so make sure your brand show complete transparency, and transparency helps your products protect from inaccurate and counterfeit listing to improve customer experience, so that no one can else sales your brand's copies. Because there on Amazon you will see sometimes dropshipper and wholesalers online arbitrators start selling counterfeit product as well. That's why for this I would recommend you to enroll into this program, Amazon transparency program. And the next phase in the meter, you can see if you have any report violations, that you can see the submission history over there. You can see all your code violation here in these cases. In the sport cases, you can see brand sport case log as well. You can see the cases you have open over here. Okay, how you can open the cases? You need to contact the brand sport. Okay, so you get different type of option here to contact Amazon brands. You can see the view case log here. So Amazon give you different option. First of all is enrollment inquiries. If you have any enrollment issues with brand history, reason for application rejection, request application update, you can open a case using this. And if you have an account enrolling issues, brand update, ownership, you can use this. And for any intellectual road, additional trademark, update your trademark status, you can use this. If you would like to file any intellectual property, you can use this retract a violation. Like if you have submitted a patent, trademark, copyright infringement on the other brands, and they and Amazon will remove their listing, and they can contact you back, and they can request you to remove the retract the violation so that they can start selling again. So in that case, you can use this option to retract. If you have an infringement related case, you can use this option to escalate your case as well. So you will see and you will describe your issue here, product title, seller name, everything in the details, and then that's how you can retract them. If you have any policy violation, product not as described, you can use this option to describe, and incorrect variations, product review violation, any other policy violation you wanted to reach out Amazon Brand Registry support, you can use these features options to reach out them. So in the same way, for if you have any listing issues, you can report those listing issues as well. And for any technical issue, you can use this. So these are some options that you can use this in the Amazon Brand Registry, and this will be helpful. And also, if you would like to add any user on the Brand Registry, you can use this user permission option, and you click on invite a user, simple enter name, email, and send them a registered agent or whichever from three of these. You want to give them access, select a reason, and send an invitation. That's how you will invite them. So that's about the brand registry. If you are facing any issue regarding the brand registry, enrollment, brand registry, connecting seller account with the brand registry, let me know in the comments. I can help you to fix your any issue you are facing with the brand registry.